have you watched any movies recently which you liked?
Materialists, guys, it's a wonderful movie. And I saw a lot of hate reels on Materialist. The math doesn't add up. She's a
Good,
matchmaker. But apparently she's not that rich, so and she wants some rich guy, and when she finally gets some rich guy, she's not like feeling fulfilled or happy, and then she again goes back to the poor guy that she had once broken up with only because he was poor. But that is how it is. It is all adding up, it is all making sense to me. I think it was a great movie.
Tell me, what were the things which you found very relatable?
It was their anniversary and they were going to some restaurant to celebrate it, and the guy was kind of broke, so he didn't want to pay for parking, so he's like $20 for parking, I'm not gonna pay, we'll go ahead, ye wo. And they were already running late for the reservation. So she's like, I don't want to fight with you for money, but then I don't want to be in this position also where I feel that there's lack of money and we are fighting for it. It feel horrible to do this to you, but at the same time I feel even more bad for myself, you know, and that was very relatable. And one more scene wherein they were discussing, and the girl would always say that marriage is a business deal, marriage is a business deal. And when the time came when she was actually,
Ki bari jab aayi tabhi.
she's like, but there has to be love on the table.
Yeah.
That makes so much sense, that it is a business deal, but there has to be love on the table. At the same time, love can't be the only thing to marry someone. Yeah. So, what do you think about
I found like the beginning of the movie where like she is playing matchmaker and people are like giving their list of criteria and everything. I'm like, there was this guy who was like 49 or like 50 or something.
He was in his 40s and he was looking for someone.
And this one is like, you want someone who's like 38, 39 age ki hai, because he's like mid 40s or something. And he's like, no, that's too old. When I mean mature, I mean 25, so I'm ready to move to 27.
Yeah, right.
So I feel like in everyone, like in that, dating or like matchmaking process, that was similar to what we also go through in like our Indian arranged marriage setup and stuff, where we are like, we have all these like check boxes which we want to fill, and sometimes we also like find people who might be fulfilling those criteria, but then when you meet them, there's no vibe.
Spark. Yeah, there's no spark.
So if I was in her position, I would leave both the guys.
Yeah.
I mean, I loved like the Pedro Pascal ka jo character tha. He was nice enough. But then when he started talking about things like, oh, I'm like a rational person, I can't like, do all this love and all, I can't talk about it. I was literally like laughing and crying at the same time, because I have spoken to so many such guys.
Really?
उनके dialogues भी original नहीं होते, same script use करते हैं वो लोग यार. You want someone to fulfill that emotional side as well.
True.
So like, ठीक है, like your way of expressing can be different, but you can't just be like, love is stupid, मुझे तो ये सब करना ही नहीं है.
And be that with the other world, not with me. Be a cookie with me.
Exactly.
True.
So then, of course, she would have left him. Like even I would have left him, but then I would not have gone back to this guy, because see, this Chris Evans का जो character था, he is also behaving very immaturely in a way that he didn't buckle up and become financially stable and like pull his shit together. If he really loves her so much, he should have done that. Like he says I love you, but what about it? Like what after love? Like, obviously if both of them were to become one person, that would be like the perfect combo.
And again they ended the story in the same way that they got back together. But what after that? Girl moved back to the joint apartment where they are all renting the flat together. It's not feasible.
And she even says, I don't want to go to shitty restaurants and I don't want to live in your shitty apartment and everything. But end mein she's like, yeah.
But I think maybe she was also feeling lonely and maybe she wanted to
be with
someone who loved her.
So, of course.
It's like the last resort. If she would have found someone better, but I think there was no other guy.
Like between the two, of course, you would choose this guy, because love is not something that money can buy or something that you can change in a person, but money you can earn. In fact, she could have just said that I am also like, you know, living in 2025, I have a job, I have a career, I will provide for you. You just be
Barabar.
a decent human
No.
being. Why does she have to rely on him to provide when she's also
She wasn't relying on him. Both of them were like doing average. So ऐसे में they can't provide for both the
yeah, like it
lives.
wouldn't be like a better future. It
Yeah,
would be
it'll
like
be average. But at least there was love on the table.
guys, but there was no table. उसका क्या?
It basically highlighted all the aspects around love
Yeah.
and marriage and relationships. So I found it a very good movie.
Yeah.